Venue was the NAPA's Zia Mohyeddin Theatre in the majestic Hindu Gymkhana, where music aficionados from all over the Metropolis converged. Occasion was a jazz concert by German Quartet C.A.R. organized jointly by Goethe Institut and diplomatic mission here as part of German cultural weeks. During the performance, the quartet also experimented amalgamating techno, metal and rock with sitar played by Nafees Ahmed and tabla by Waqas. The quartet presented a number of their original compositions. While talking to News Pakistan TV, leader of the quartet said,
We founded it back in 2011 actually, but then it was still a quintet. We had a guitar player. It took a long time. 2014 we had our first album out, and yeah, we started with playing jazz more in a common sense, but we developed more and more, also getting the electronics together and trying to incorporate to find a unique sound. Yeah, I love Sitar. A lot of people in Europe know Sitar. Tabla maybe less popular, but yeah, we met these wonderful musicians only today and had like 30 minutes to rehearse, and it was instantly working. Really talented people, and yeah, it was really fitting for our sound. Was so overwhelming, like the room was incredibly full and we had people sitting in front of the actual seats and they were really appreciating the music and welcoming us very warmly. We didn't know what to expect and it was a big experience. I would like everybody to know that we feel really safe here, and we love the country, really nice people, and yeah, there's no reason not to visit Pakistan.
Very much.